Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 19th, 2017, and U.S. stock market is closed. Yeah, I'm not real excited about today. Technically, we made some money, but I'm getting tired of these kind of. I'm tired of making a little money. I want to make some big money, and we're just not getting those kinds of days. Haven't seen one of those kinds of days in a long time, and I'm getting impatient. Anyway, we uh, did improve a little bit in terms of what we closed out. I think we were down a couple $1,000 yesterday, and we closed out just under negative $500. So that was an improvement. We got into 10 new positions. 4 are positive, 6 are negative, but we are holding positive over $2,000 going into tomorrow. But again, with 10 positions, $2,000 positive isn't any big deal. And what bothers me, I think, most is an hour and a quarter before the markets closed, that $2,000 was up to 6,000, and it's just like we can't hold anything. If there are profits on the table, they slip away, and we don't get a situation where um, we have profits that say $2,000 with an hour to go, and then it goes to $6,000 or $7,000 by the time we close. And even if that does happen, by the next morning, the $7,000 is back to $2,000. That's the way it's been going. It's very, very difficult psychologically to trade this. I don't like it, and I'm not happy with it. Anyway, the Dow, I will say, the Dow at least did 2 days in a row of the same thing. The Dow ended up closing down 118 today, so it didn't just go reversing its direction from yesterday. And I consider that good. I just going one way one day and then the opposite way the next day. That just sets up a very difficult pattern for us to trade. Anyway, I will show you a couple uh, of the stocks we traded today. This is kind of indicative of our frustration. This is JDST, that's inverse gold mining, and we bought that today. And I'm kind of estimating, but I think up here we're up about $6,000 on that thing. And then look, it fades, at the end of the day, and we're holding positive 1,800 on it. Um, just why can't it stay up here? Why can't it hold? Uh, Close on its high? It's just like that's not the way things are going recently. And then, but it it kind of leaves you with wondering what's going on, because this is dust, which is really the same thing as JDST. These things should move uh, very much parallel to each other. We bought dust yesterday, not today, so we enjoyed the gap up this morning. It kept going, and it looked like it might sell off like JDST, but it didn't. It actually, on this last bar, some buying came in, and this thing's closing near its high. And we do have nearly $5,000 there in dust. So it's strange. These stocks should do the same thing, but at least in the last 15 minutes or so, they did completely opposite. So who knows? I tend to believe that dust is correct, and JDST may correct itself tomorrow on the open. I hope that's what happens, but who knows? Anyway, that's the way it went today. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.